Hello friends, this is Rimi here. Welcome to Rimi's kitchen. So today's recipe is very easy and delicious. So today we are making dates and nut laddu. It is very healthy as I mentioned. So let's quickly go through the ingredients and let's get started. For this we need some badam, some dates, some honey, some cashew nuts, and these are some raisins, and this is desi ghee. So now you switch on the stove and then you put all the dry nuts in this pan. And stir it continuously. And now add some cashew nuts. So roast that nuts continuously so that it evens out from all the corners. I think it is all done. Now it's changed in golden color. You see it changed in golden color. So now I'm going to switch off the stove. So now I'm taking it out. So now I am taking this nuts in the mixie grinder. So now I blend it into the mixture. You have to be very careful if you are doing this. So this is what I am looking for. This is coarse paste. Basically I am looking for this texture. So and now heat up the pan, then add little this much of ghee is sufficient, and then you add this dates mixture into this. I think it is almost done. So what you do next, you take all the roasted dry nuts into the jar and then you again grind it. So you can see there is a big chunks of dry roasted nuts is also here. So like this type of paste you have to make. So now I am going to add this mixture. So now we are taking out all the nuts. So keep on mixing. Keep on mixing like this. So now I am going to add some raisins here. So it is all mixed together. So now you can see the texture of this paste. It is not so much runny and not so much thick. We have to make it in a soft dough like this to bind the laddus. It is little hot, be careful. So now I am going to add little amount of honey in this. So it will give a nice taste as it is already very sweet. So I am adding little amount of honey in this. Mix it well. So honey gives it a good taste as well as it is very good for health also. So these laddus are very healthy. So now I'm going to take it out in a bowl. You just knead it. So now it becomes a soft dough. So now it's perfect time to make laddu from this dough. Now you have to cool it down little bit. Now you have to grease your hand with some oil, and then gently you take some little dough and then make it in a small balls like this. So likewise you have to make all the laddus. So now these laddus are done. I made at least 15 laddus with this. And this is how it looks like. This is so yummy and delicious. This video. So thanks for watching this video. So if you have any queries, so do comment in the description bar below, and please do subscribe my channel for a lot more coming videos like this. So keep on watching this channel. So till then, take care. Bye bye.